This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make muddy water clear. We'll start by understanding why water gets muddy, then explore different ways to fix it. You'll learn about simple, natural methods and also more advanced chemical treatments. By the end, you'll have a clear guide on how to achieve sparkling water, whether it's for a small container or a larger pond. Let's dive in. One of the easiest ways to clarify muddy water is through natural sedimentation. Simply let the water sit undisturbed. Gravity will do most of the work, causing heavier particles to sink. For a more active approach, you can create a basic filter using layers of sand and gravel. Even a clean piece of cloth or a coffee filter can strain out larger debris, making the water noticeably clearer. When natural methods aren't enough, chemical treatments can be very effective. Substances like alum or aluminum sulfate act as coagulants, making tiny mud particles stick together into larger clumps. These larger clumps then settle out much faster. Polymer flocculants work similarly, binding suspended solids. Sometimes, adjusting the water's pH with lime or baking soda can also enhance the settling process, leading to clearer water. For larger volumes of muddy water, a pump combined with a robust filtration system can be highly efficient. Remember, consistent maintenance of any filter is key to its effectiveness. To prevent future muddiness, address the source of the problem, such as erosion around a pond or lake. Finally, always test the water quality after treatment to ensure it meets the safety standards for its intended purpose, whether for irrigation or other uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.